This is lift's 4th and 5th session on here. Not trying to do too much bar, just slow him down a little and let him get a bit of a feel for his stock. Trying not to direct him too much, just to block him out now and then. Still going to need a little bit of bonding. Whoever gets him needs to spend a bit of time with him. There's no commands on him yet, just using my body and trying to get some of the things that we're going to need later on him. Good little stop there. It's a little calmer. This is 5th work. Wind was blowing a fair gale the day we did the 4th work videos. Stock and the dogs kind of get geared up a little bit. It's a nicer day today. Sort of getting a little bit better distance today. A lot softer. Bit of a drive here.